Viewers, today top international brands are exhibiting in World Trade Center Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So let's go and talk to one of the top brand of this expo.
My name is Nitin Gosai. I am the CEO of CLEON POWERTECH SOLUTION. We are manufacturers of lead acid batteries for automotive application, solar application, industrial application and inverter application. We are looking here for good distributors. Although we are working in 18 countries, we are a star rated export house, and this is my 4th time in Middle East electricity. So we are looking for good partners with whom we can associate and grow together. We have a local office here in Dubai, opposite to this World Trade Center on Sheikh Zayed Road. Other than that, our website address is www.cleonglobal.com.